everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on tonight with a happy mail share, and I know it's been a while since I've been on. We've just been really busy. We're getting ready to move, and so it's just been crazy here. And we're gonna actually start packing. Well, tonight I packed all my dies and all my stamps, and I was getting everything ready for my husband, but tomorrow he's just gonna pack everything. I mean, my room is a mess. It is just crazy, but he said he got it and he's gonna pack everything tomorrow. So I'm like, okay. And so anyway, I received this happy mail from one of my awesome subscribers, and her name is Susan Klein. And this was like a surprise. Like this came about 2 weeks ago, and I had sent her an email letting her know, how grateful I was, and how thankful I am to receive this package. And I told her I'd do a video, but like I said, it's just been really crazy. I haven't had a chance to do any videos. I haven't done any hauls, no shopping. Actually, I've been destashing a lot, and so I figured just the less to pack is better. But I did want to share what she sent me. I did open it, but I didn't open what's inside here. And so I just want to go ahead and share that here. So here she wrote a card. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, and look how cute this is. Cute little squirrel. I wonder if I'm centered here. Okay. My gosh, it's been so long since I've done a video. Alright, so let me see here. It says, "Hi Tiffany, thank you very much for my lovely happy mail and awesome unicorn giveaway goodies. Love the die cuts you made me inside the cute box. Love all the packaging. The unicorn tape dispenser makes me smile. Thank you for all you did and sent. I love it all. Hugs, Susan." That's right. She won one of my hidden, was it a hidden giveaway? It might have been. I don't remember. But yeah, so I sent her package. And so she's so thoughtful and sent me a bunch of goodies. So let me go ahead and open the first one. Oh, my light isn't bright. I don't know. I'm just on a roll. I had a glass of wine. Packed my dies and my stamps with my kids. My husband was downstairs doing the kitchen. And after this, I'm going to help him finish the kitchen. And then we're done for the night. Oh, look at that. She made me a tag flip. Super cool. Look at it. It says Happy Valentine's Day on this really pretty felt heart. I really love that. And then that's the first one. And then she made this here, and it says, "Love is all around. Did you stop and notice it today?" Super cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love her. Super cute. This is so very sweet, and sweet is sewn. That's nice there. "Friendship is seen through the heart, not through the eyes." So true. Because a lot of my friends are virtual friends through like YouTube and like Facebook, through all my crafty groups. So I don't get to meet them, and so that phrase is so true. And look at that smile, and she used a cute unicorn cabochon. Very creative. I love it. Oh, and look at that. I love that. I have a stamp similar to that. And it says here, "Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Mother Teresa." Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you so much, Susan. So creative. I love what you did. This is really awesome. So that's the tag clip she made. And let's see what else she sent here. All packaged up so pretty. Let me see. Oops. Alright, let me put that on the side there. Oh, look, I have two heart balloons. Super cool. I can go ahead and blow that up for my daughter when we get to our new destination. Oh, look at that. And she made this really cute post-it note holder. And this was on my list for Valentine's. I was going to make post-it note holders, but I just didn't have time because we started packing. And so that is really pretty. I love it. And she gave me some washi tape here. Super cute. I can use that for next holiday season, or I can use it anytime actually. I mean, hearts and red can be for any time. And she got me this really pretty pen. Look at that. I love pens. I am a pen collector. And so, let me see. Yes, it writes beautifully. I love it. That is very pretty. And then she made this box here, this heart box. And she, oh, look at that. She made a yo-yo. And she put a rhinestone. And I have these foiled hearts. And, oh, this is really pretty. I think it's like a bracelet. And it says love with a heart. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. I love it. And last but not least, oh, she used this really cute bag topper. And this is, okay, so this is Candy Bean. And this is a stamp here by Little Darlings. And she's super cute. Love that. And then I also got this Valentine's Day rainbow with a sun clouds and, you know, some cute little dangling hearts. And you got the die for the cloud and the rainbow. And then the phrases are here: glad we're friends, Valentine, and you're my sunshine. Super sweet. You know, I love all my subscribers. You all mean so much to me. And you know, my goal this year was to send Happy Mail once a month, and I did, I think, January. I did not do it last month, and I'm not going to be able to do it this month, or like I said, for the next couple months. But once we get to our new home, I will definitely make up for all the months that I wasn't able to send Happy Mail. I'm just going to send out a bunch. And so, because I do like to, you know, do random Happy Mails, and usually how I do my Happy Mails are either we've either swapped before or you've entered my challenges, so I have your emails. And so I go through, I mean, not emails, but your addresses. And I go through the address book, and then I pick someone. And one of the people that I picked Susan. And I had picked a couple others last year. But this year, like I said, I plan to do more. But I want to thank everyone. Thank you for supporting my channel, and just hang tight, because once I get settled, like I said, I'll be back on doing my videos regularly, and, you know, going and doing my shopping hauls. So y'all have a great weekend, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.